Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make tofu and kimchi soup. It's very easy and simple dish to cook, but the outcome is so flavorful and so hearty. It's perfect for a cold winter day. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this tofu kimchi soup, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 packs of tofu, 200g kimchi, 200g thinly sliced pork rib, some shiitake mushroom, I have 3 today, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoon miso paste, half a tablespoon sugar, and Japanese leek. And these are optional, but if you like, some green onion and sesame seeds to garnish. Let's do all the cutting first. The green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them in half, put them together, cut them in half, put them together. Then slice thinly. This is to garnish, so let's put it in a small bowl and set it aside. Japanese leek. Let's just make thin diagonal slices. Shiitake mushroom. Cut the stem off. The stem of shiitake mushroom is very tough and chewy, so I normally don't use it. Let's make thin slices. Now, tofu. I'm using firm tofu today, but you can use any tofu you like. Let's just take it out from the packet. And cut it into blocks. Same for the other one. And pork. I'm using thinly sliced pork rib today, but you can use other part of the pork or even chicken or beef. Let's just cut it into bite size. All the ingredients are ready, so it's time to cook. Heat up some vegetable oil in the pot, about 1 tablespoon. If you like, you can add some minced garlic here for extra flavor. The pot is hot, so let's stir fry the pork. When the pork is almost cooked through, add leek and keep stir frying. Leek is wilted, so let's add 4 cups of water. Shiitake mushroom, blocks of tofu, and kimchi all in. Gently stir and cook it for about 10 minutes with the lid on. It's been cooked for 10 minutes and everything is cooked through, so let's add the seasonings. Miso paste. When I add miso paste to the soup, I use this miso strainer that every Japanese family has in their kitchen, so that I can make sure I don't have any chunk of miso in the soup bowl. You can use small tea strainer instead. So let's put the miso in the strainer. Dunk it in the pot and push the miso out. One tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sugar, and give it a quick mix. Add sesame oil at the last minute so that you don't lose the flavor. Turn the heat off and it's time to serve. Sprinkle some green onion, some sesame seeds, and tofu kimchi soup is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's have some soup first. いただきます。Tofu pork kimchi all together. The balance of spiciness, saltiness, and sweetness is just so perfect and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Tofu kimchi soup is like a combination of soup and the main dish, so let's put it here and nothing here. Plain rice here. For one of the side dishes, I want to have something light and refreshing, so how about snowball salad? For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!